So guys, it's Eric from Worship the King, and I want to show you how to take echo, that little part, and make it sound cool, just like that. So you're doing this, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and... Now we learned that little da -da 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 in the last video, so check the description for the link to that. Also guys, listen, you can download all of this for free in my Worship the King store. So don't hesitate to download the charts. What we're doing today is I'm going to show you a little technique I use a lot. I take these two fingers and I pluck up on any of the notes. I usually use like this one. I usually use the middle finger a lot to go. And I teach that in some of my courses and more of my videos, but you can get that kind of plucking sound. But this day we're doing echo. We're going, when night is falling, when fear is coming, still you're calling me. So we're doing kind of like, I don't know what it is. It's like an acoustic-y version of it. So if you wanted to do something cool, this is the way to do it. So all you got to do is play A, B minor, G, D. The charts are on the website. But what you do is you go A. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So it's like 1, 2 is the notes. Dum, bum, 1, 2. It's like 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and a 1, 2. And that's the easiest way to do it, is just do the 1, 2, 3, and a 1, 2. So you kind of do the flip, the... When night is falling, when fear is calling, still you're calling me. When faith is lost and my hope exhausted, you will be my strength. And when my mind says... So what you're doing is you're taking these two fingers and plucking up. So you pluck down on the note, on the bass note, and then up on those two. So that's the B and the B and the G. So you're doing the same two. So these two fingers are on the B and the G string. And what you do is you pull them into your hand like that. So you pluck down like this, and then you pull up. The motion is like this in your right hand. It's like this. Like you say, come here. So come here. So come here. So it's like you're closing your hand. You have it there, and then you just close your hand. So you've got those two fingers there. They're closing into your hand like that. That's how you do it. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2. That's how you do it. Guys, if you want to know more, just put in the comments. At least make some comment in the bottom, and like, share, and subscribe to the video. I have done a ton of videos today on echo, all the way from the cover to the simple strum along to every part of it, to all of the breakdowns to the strumming patterns. And then I wanted to show you that little thing that I did, because I think it's so cool if you just went on stage, or if you started like the service out and you're like, when night is falling, when fear is coming, still you're calling me. Faith is lost and fear exhausted, you will be my strength. Maybe the band comes in. When my mind says or maybe you don't have a band. Maybe it's just you on acoustic. So you want to make it sound cool. God bless you guys. Keep watching the videos, and make sure you like, share, and subscribe. It helps get the channel out there to the world, which is, of course, what I'm trying to do, reach the entire world.